Most people get this wrong when they hear credit builder apps. They assume it is an instant fix for bad credit. But here's the truth no one tells you. Credit building is not fast, and no app can magically fix your score overnight. In this video, we are breaking down whether Possible Finance Credit Builder actually works in 2026, how it functions, and who it is really for so you do not waste time or money on the wrong strategy. Let's start with the basics. Possible Finance is not a traditional credit card company. It is a lending app that offers small installment loans and reports repayment activity to credit bureaus in many cases. That is where the credit builder idea comes from. Now here's how it works in simple terms. When you borrow money through Possible and make on-time payments, that repayment history may be reported to credit bureaus. Over time, this can help improve your credit profile, especially if you have little or no credit history. But here's where it gets interesting. Imagine someone like Alex who has no credit score at all. He uses Possible for a small loan, repays it on time over a few months, and starts building a credit footprint. For him, it can be a useful starting point. But now let's talk about Jake, who already has some credit history. For him, the impact is smaller. One app alone will not significantly boost his score. Credit building becomes about consistency, not one tool. But here's the problem most people miss. They think borrowing money is the same as building credit. It is not. What matters is repayment behavior over time, not just taking a loan. Now let's talk about limitations. Possible Finance is not a full credit repair solution. It cannot remove negative marks, collections, or late payments from your history. It only helps you build positive repayment data going forward. Also, the loan amounts are relatively small, which means the credit impact is gradual, not dramatic. So does it actually work in 2026? Yes, but only in the right situation. If you have thin credit or no credit history, it can help you start building a record. If you already have established credit, the impact will be limited compared to a credit card or traditional credit builder loan. Now, here's the simple rule. Use Possible Finance if you are starting from zero and need a basic entry point into credit building. Do not rely on it as your only strategy if you are trying to improve an already existing credit score. And here's the key takeaway most people miss. Credit building is not about one app. It is about consistent payment history across multiple accounts over time. To wrap it up, Possible Finance can help you start building credit, but it is not a complete credit solution. It works best as a beginner tool, not a full credit repair system. If this helped you understand it better, hit like, leave a comment with your experience, and subscribe for more simple finance breakdowns like this.